landmark, and coming off the heart you have the ascending aorta, and then it's going to descend, and if you follow it, it descends and come down here. We're not using these anymore, so we can cut that off. That's your aortic arch, and you have two branches coming off your aortic arch, that one and that one. This one is the left, this is my right, so this is the left. This is the left subclavian, and it's left subclavian only until it reaches the internal mammary. Here's the internal mammary. It will meet up with this blue one. Remember the blue one that got busted? So here's the red one that goes with it. So up to this point, between there and there, is your left subclavian. After that is your auxiliary. So all that is auxiliary, and it's auxiliary until you get to, again, right about there. And then it's brachial that goes beyond that. So that's the left side. Now for the right side.
What are these things underneath of it? The IMA and...
Internal mammary.
Okay, and then what's this RA?
That's when it that's radial artery, radial vein.
Okay, okay.
I mean ulnar vein, ulnar artery and radial artery. The radial goes to your big finger. That's down here. We don't dissect down here.
Okay.
The radial goes to your big finger, and the ulnar goes to your little finger.
What is this one? Do we need to know this one?
No, that's just the branch that helps you determine where it stops and where it starts. Again, your brachial is between the underarm and the elbow.
Okay.
All right, over on this side is your second branch. That's your brachiocephalic that we've been talking about. We saw that on the heart. What we didn't see are the three branches that we said comes off it. So here they are. That's your first branch there, and it becomes your left common carotid. And then if you move this, you can see the second branch. Okay. If you look, you'll see that it branches two more times. This one becomes your right common carotid, and this one becomes your right subclavian. And it's right subclavian only until you get to the right internal mammary. See, the internal mammary goes to the breast. So the right subclavian is a short piece between right here and here. That's your right subclavian there. And then after that, of course, would be your auxiliary. You can follow it out there. That's your auxiliary here. And then to your brachial. So it's not very mysterious. Right there. Once you won't know it today because you just started, but once you know your diagram, you'll be able to find them.